Tidio AI has just launched and is making waves in the world of automation and customer service. If you're looking for a game-changing tool to help scale your business with AI, there are 7 crucial things you need to know about Tidio AI that could make it the perfect solution for you. First up, Tidio AI is an all-in-one customer service platform that combines AI-driven chatbots with human support to streamline communications. This new release is perfect for businesses looking to enhance their customer interactions 24/7. With Tidio, you can create automated workflows that respond to customers instantly, no matter what time of day it is. It's designed to provide seamless customer service and take the load off your support team, freeing up time for more high-level tasks. What's powerful here is the AI's ability to handle common queries right out of the box. The Tidio AI chatbot is trained to understand your customer's intent and respond with intelligent, human-like messages. This can significantly reduce the number of repetitive inquiries your team has to deal with and boost efficiency. But that's just the beginning. Tidio AI integrates directly with your website, social media platforms, and even email marketing systems. This means that all your communication channels can be unified, making it easier to track and manage conversations in one place. Whether a customer reaches out on Facebook, WhatsApp, or via live chat on your site, Tidio AI handles it smoothly, ensuring no message slips through the cracks. Now, one of the standout features of Tidio AI is its deep learning capabilities. The more it interacts with your customers, the smarter it becomes. This means over time, the AI chatbot can handle increasingly complex requests, getting better at delivering the right responses. Plus, you can continually train it to handle specific queries unique to your business. Another major plus is the ease of use. Tidio doesn't require advanced coding skills. You can set up your AI chatbot in minutes, choosing from pre-built templates or creating your own custom workflows. It's built for non-tech users, which makes it highly accessible for small businesses and entrepreneurs. Tidio AI also offers a multilingual option, which is a game changer if you have an international customer base. This feature allows you to communicate with customers in their native language, enhancing the customer experience and breaking down language barriers. One thing I really appreciate about Tidio AI is its integration with other AI-powered tools. You can connect it to your CRM, email marketing systems, and more, creating a unified ecosystem of tools that work together seamlessly. Whether you're capturing leads, following up with abandoned carts, or even scheduling appointments, Tidio's AI gives you a smart, automated assistant to handle these tasks. And here's the best part. You can try Tidio AI completely free with no commitment. If you're still on the fence, there's no harm in giving it a test drive and seeing how it fits your needs. The free version allows you to explore many of the core features with no credit card required. Now, after reviewing thousands of AI software solutions, Tidio AI stands out for its user-friendly interface, robust features, and powerful automation capabilities. If you're looking to boost your business efficiency and provide top-tier customer service, this is definitely worth checking out. Remember, you can try Tidio AI for free by clicking the first link in the description. I also have a list of my recommended AI software, so if you're exploring new tools, feel free to take a look at those as well. Tidio AI is undoubtedly a must-try if you want to optimize your customer support and scale your business using the power of AI.